Hey guys, what's up? I'm Dustin Mankin. This is Excite Video Magazine, and welcome to Project 180, Episode 5. Today we are talking about hood vents, wheels, and front speakers. If you're getting tired of the slideshows, you aren't the only one. Editing all these photos is a pain in the... But stick with me for just one more, and I promise after this we will get to an actual video. Like the rear speakers, my front speakers were toast, and the bass sounded like an old man farting in the mall with every step. You know the type it's like, Papa, stop, let it out, carry on. The front speakers are a little bit more involved, and I had to remove the door panel because that's where I wanted to mount my crossovers. I also made a wiring harness so it would be easier to detach the door from the car when I needed to make repairs to that area. The speakers are 6.5-inch midwoofers, so I had to make an adapter out of MDF. Then the last thing I had to do was drill the door panel so that I could put the tweeters inside of them. It's not amped at this point, so it doesn't sound great, but it does sound a lot better than it did, trust me. Next, let's talk about hood vents. Mainly the Uras Type 1 vent. I love riveted on panels because I think they look tough as f***. First of all, the hood panel was haggard as hell, so instead of fooling with it and sanding everything down, I just threw some gel remover on it and we let it eat everything off. Simple. I then measured everything at least 30 times and got ready to cut it with this trusty grinder. I bought this thing for the ultra low price of $27 just for this project, and it has faithfully cut everything for at least 5 years. Fiberglass, pipe, everything, man. This has been the best tool I have ever bought with my money. It way outlasted what I thought it would. Then the guy at the garage next door loaned me a hand riveter and some rivets. Now, you have to follow a certain pattern when you're doing this, because if you don't, the fiberglass is going to bunch up and warp up and you'll get a lot more little waves. So what I did was I started in the center and worked my way out to minimize those waves. Also, don't drill everything at once, because as you begin to rivet that vent down to the hood, it's going to change where the holes are. So just take your time, go one at a time, and you can do this no problem. Let's see what it looks like. And now it's time to see what wheels I'm gonna go with. Ta-da! Bailside Andrew Racing V's. These wheels are a 3-piece wheel that looks similar to a work, was, rumor has it, built by SSR and is a fraction of the price. Now this set is 17x7 and 17x8, but I also have a set of 17x9s and 4 17x10s for drift spares. I love these wheels. I promise the next one is going to be a real video, and we are going to begin the preparations to put my D-Max rear wide fenders on. Guys, if you liked this video for some reason and you want to see more from Project 180, or you want to see cool drifting videos from Japan, go ahead, do yourself a favor and subscribe to this channel. Subscribing always has been and always will be for you. It's just so that you can see the latest videos from Japan. If you do want to help me, however, a like and a share would go a long way to get the word out about this channel, and it would be so greatly appreciated. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.